Hello guys, welcome to Libra Philippines. So for Libra to guys, no, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Take only what resonates, hindi to magre-resonate. Sa lahat normal yan guys kasi hindi ko talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. So kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, hindi ka nakaka-resonate, okay lang yan. May mga next readings pa tayo. Okay, and yeah, let's start the reading. Libra. Messages for Libra. Ano mga dapat naming malaman? For the sign of Libra, please. For the sign of Libra, please. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung main energy mo. But anyway, kahit sinasabi kong ikaw, person mo to, pwedeng maging ganon. Kahit sinasabi kong person mo to, pwedeng ikaw yon. Okay? So, pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. Yan. And you do have the King of Cups. Okay. Libra. Knight of Cups. Some of you, nakakita tayo ng upcoming travel or nag-iisip na mag-travel. Maybe may kinalaman dito sa money and or love with the King of Cups. Nababasa ko yung word na death, like death card. So, yeah, you could be dealing with a Scorpio or maybe there's some kind of ending na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. And I'm feeling a lot of problems here with the Nine of Swords. Pero nakikita natin with the Sun that you are happy. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, may mga ending or may mga problemang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Pero somehow may mga bagay pa rin naman na nagpapakita sa iyo na masaya ka. Or may mga dahilan pa rin na parang, oo, problema to, pero kailangan kong maging masaya. Okay? Maybe regarding your work, yan, yung iba sa inyo may mga new beginnings regarding work. I can see offers. I'm feeling like there's a person or people around you na nagbibigay ng tulong or willing na magtumulong. Yeah, you do have your judgment. Whatever is happening now sa buhay mo, nakikita natin that this is like destined or dapat lang talaga siya mangyari, you know? So, with the Queen of Coins, I'm seeing na itong nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, hindi ko nakikitang kabado ka or malungkot ka or what eh. Mas nakikita natin you are stable, you are a person na walang kumbaga marami ka ng pinagdaanan, ito pa kaya. So you are a well-grounded person and hindi ka nangangamba sa kung ano man itong mga endings or mga you love. Actually, I do see you loving itong nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. Na although medyo problema siya, maaaring sa paningin ng iba. For you, I do like this. I do love what is happening. And Three of Cups is here. So, nakikita natin na may mga tao rin sa buhay mo that they could be friends or family that soon enough they will show their true colors. Sasabihin nila or ipapakita nila yung mga totoong kulay nila sa'yo. Like, you would know kung ano ba silang tao. Sila ba ay makakatulong? Sila ba ay nakakaintindi? Sila ba yung mga tipo ng tao na mamahalin ka at susuportahan ka? Or sila ba yung mga tipo ng tao na i-deny or magagalit, whatever, no? So, with the Emperor, you would definitely see kung ano yung mga intention ng mga taong ito sa'yo. And you do have the Lover, so whatever the case is, nakikita natin na you are allowing them to see kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa'yo. Hinahayaan mo lang sila na makita kung ano yung totoong mga nangyayari sa'yo. And they would, it's like, nasa sa kanila na yon with the Death card, kung ano man yung gagawain nila sa situation na ito, no? So, yeah, there's a lot of messages there. Pagdating sa person, nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Who is this person for the sign of Libra, please? For the sign of Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Ano ang meron sa person na ito? Sino ito? Pagdating sa sign ng Libra. For the sign of Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra, please. Person nakakonect ni Libra. Person nakakonect ni Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Okay, the person that you are dealing with, you do have here the King of Swords and the Six of Cups. Ayan. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck is the Fool. Actually, itong person na ito could be a person in the past. With the King of Swords energy. Let me clarify this. I mean, actually, hindi ako nag-expect ng past person. I'm more like, na-expect ko is a present person. But tell me more about this. Two of Cups, the Death card, and the Hermit. Okay, that's Scorpio, Virgo. You could be dealing with these signs. Two of Cups is here. I'm really expecting, hindi ko to expect, guys. I'm expecting, I'm actually expecting someone in the present. Pero, yeah, maybe may message dito. Nakakita tayo ng partnership or relationship maybe in the past sa inyo nitong person na ito. This person is like, maybe may ending na sa inyo, or I want to know, what is the situation between you and this person? Please tell me, for the sign of Libra, ano ang situation sa inyo nitong person na ito? Please tell me. Magnetic. Oh, this is, some of you, this is a twin flame connection. TikTok is here. I mean, you have to be ready. You have to be ready. Para sa I'm seeing that this person is coming back. This past person. Could be a Scorpio, could be a Virgo. Pero okay lang, kahit di ko nabanggit yung zodiac sign. I'm feeling like this person is pwedeng mag-take ng risk or mag-take ng actions dito. And tell me about this actions. Tell me about this spirit guides, angel guides. Please tell me. Yeah. Insatiable is here. So nakakita tayo ng coldness mula dito sa person na ito. But it's like negotiator is here. So I'm seeing a person na pwedeng hindi niya na matiis eh. Like this person is coming back to your life. Hindi niya na matiis. Yeah, this person could be trapped in a situation. Pero nakikita natin hindi niya to matiis eh. Hindi niya na matiis tong situation na to eh. Maybe a relationship or whatever. Kasi nakikita natin with the negotiator, as you can see, there's water here. Pero yung bottom of the deck is, there's ice. And it's like ice turning into a water, which is normal naman talaga yun, diba? Ang yellow, pag pinabayaan mo, nagiging tubig. So, ano ibig sabihin? Maybe in the past, there's like you making the actions or doing the actions na kailangan gawin with the Knight of Coins dito sa person na to. Parang may mga bagay kang sinabi or ginawa para i-secure maybe yung relationship or yung partnership nitong taong to. So maybe you are the one na nag-take ng actions for this person para i-secure yung future ninyo together. I mean, maybe you have taken the risk here or maybe may mga binanggit ka, sinabi ka, chinat ka, or whatever, sa person na ito. Pero, it's like with the insatiable, katulad nga ng isang yellow, naging baliwala lang sa kanya. No? Ngayon, dahil pinuno mo siya ng mga ganon, mga bagay na kailangan niya, maybe you have given this person the things na kailangan niya, support na kailangan niya, whatever, binigay mo yun. Ngayon, komportable siya. So, nanatili siyang, katulad niya ng yellow, matigas, no? Now, ngayon, the moment na pinabayaan mo, itong person na ito, katulad ng isang yellow, magiging tubig yan. And the way I see this connection, the moment na pinabayaan mo itong person na ito, time will come, bibigay din. Sasabihin din niya. This person will beg, no? Or pwedeng magmakaawa or lumapit to tell you kung ano man yung mga bagay na natrap sa utak niya na hindi niya nabanggit sa'yo, hindi niya nasabi sa'yo in the past. And this person will tell you these words or this kakainin niya yung pride niya kakainin niya yung ego niya or yung mga pagmamatigas na ito na ginagawa niya And I feel a past person coming back in your life, no? Yung iba sa inyo nangyari na to. Nakakaramdam tayo ng ganun. Tell me about this. Yeah, you do have your family, so this person, pwedeng may family na involved sa connection ninyo, but for some of you na wala namang family na involved, if this is a past person, regardless, no, you have your desire. So there's yung iba sa inyo, I can see you na pwedeng in the near future, possible na magkaroon kayo ng relationship nitong taong to. And that could be third-party relationship. So, pwedeng isa sa inyo or both of you could be in another relationship, tapos ito is like a third party. No? And yeah, this will be a secret connection, secret relationship. Kasi, you cannot handle this. Yung person mo, lalo na yung person mo, hindi na niya kayang i-handle yung pagmamatigas. Hindi niya na kayang i-handle yung pagtatago ng emotion na ito. But, what is the advice? Actually, gusto kong mag-advise na, pero we will ask kung ano yung talagang dapat na ibigay na advice for you. You do have here roller coaster and single. Yeah, that is the advice here, single. The advice for you is the roller coaster. Alam mo yung roller coaster, hindi mo yan makikita sa kalsada. Makikita mo yan may sarili siyang tracks, rail tracks, di ba? Yun lang yung iikot-ikutan niya. Pag upo mo doon, pagkuha ng ticket sa'yo, paupuin ka doon, tapos paikot-ikot lang yan. Hindi mo yan makikita na mapupunta sa ibang direction. So, what is the advice here? The advice here is yung connection ninyo will be paikot-ikot lang. Will be paulit-ulit lang. Will happen like ganito. Kung gusto tinatago ninyo, I guarantee you guys, yung pagtatago na yan, more on pagtatago lang na relasyon and connection. And ayaw mo nun. Ayaw nyo yon. Now, the advice for you is to be single. No? Especially with anxiety, ayan, this is you. You're maybe scared to let go. You might be this person na takot, na hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin ba or what. You just want to, hindi mo pa rin pwedeng takasan ng realidad. You want this relationship, you both want this. This past person wants you. This person, ayaw niya lang kasi nang ini-imagine ganyan. This person wants this connection na mailagay sa realidad. But the advice for you is maging available ka for this person. Now, ganito. What if my family, how can I leave my person? How can I leave another relationship kung may mga anak? Yan, yung may iba ganun, no? Well, tell me about the advice regarding dito sa mga pamilyado. Now guys, actually ayokong mag-push ng isang connection or relationship or in my third party. Hindi ko gagawin yon. But you do have your journal, love affair. So sa nakikita ko dito, if there's a family na involved dito, hindi pa naman tapos ang buhay. I mean, there's this story pa rin naman na masusulat, or kumbaga katulad ng isang journal, katulad ng isang librong sinusulat pa lang. As you can see, the journal is still in the typewriter. So ito ay sinusulat pa lang. Ito ay may kinalaman sa buhay mo. It's not yet finished, it's not yet done. Ang buhay mo tuloy-tuloy lang, no? And yeah, of course there's third party. Pero, bakit pag once ba na sumama ang tingin sa'yo ng mga, let's say, yung mga anak mo, habang buhay na ba yun? Diba, hindi pa naman. There's still spaces for more stories, and maybe you can change that. Maybe you can change the story. Siyempre, kailangan mo rin mag-effort. Diba? The love affair is here. So, yung sa susunod na storya mo, let's say, you break up with the person na maaaring nanay or tatay ng mga anak mo, sabihin na natin gano'n, no? Guys, this is actually open for LGBTQIA+. Pero, at this point, medyo nakikita natin, basta meron kayong responsibility nitong taong ito. Or ikaw. So, take only what resonates. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong kunin. Love affair is here. So, if you want to put itong person that you really do love, although it's wrong, sa buhay mo, kailangan mo mag-make ng space ngayon. No? Huwag mo nang gawing third party, etong person ito. What do you need to do here? You do have your legal. Kasi magiging mas masaya ka kung legal or maayos ang relationship nyo. Na oo, sige, hindi siya ang nauna, pero maaaring siya naman ang huli. No? Ngayon, mas magiging masaya ka. Sa future, we do have your projected, and as you can see, that's future. Projected, and this is the future. Mas, tingnan mo, maaliwalas na, oh. Maliwalas na yung road, maganda na yung daraanan, and this will be your life. This will be your life. Once na illegal mo itong taong ito, na siya naman talaga nagpapasaya sa'yo. What about the person na nauna? Diba? Paano siya? You have your interview. You need to talk. Hindi mo to pwedeng takasan na alisan mo, babay na. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun eh. You have to talk with this person. Para mas pareho kayo, para maging pareho yung page ninyo. Para maging pareho kayo ng nasa isip. No? Kasi, especially if hindi naman na nag-work out ang connection or relationship or what, you do have the signs, and these are the signs showing you what to do. Okay? You have to search, guys, if you saw an angel number, you have to search the meaning of that angel number, kasi that would be your guide. That is your guide, angel guides telling you what to do. No? So, pumunta ka sa Google, i-search mo. For example, you're seeing the number 1111. If you're going through something, you have to search it. Maybe may meaning yung number na yon. Okay? I would give you an example. For example, ako kasi, lately, I've been going through something, and more like health issues, no? And then, ang nagpapakita sa akin number is the number 77. Yan, 7777, more on 7. And then, you know what's the meaning of it? It says, take care of yourself. Diba? kung kailangan, and then isang meaning pa niya about my health, no? Kasi may problem nga ako about my health. So, now is the right time na pumunta ka sa specialist, sa mga espesyalista, sa doktor, no? And actually, I'm scared. Takot ako. But I have to. Kasi it's like a message for me. So, tinapangan ko loob ko. And then yun. After nun, nakapagbigay sa akin ng medications and mga bagay na makakatulong for my health. And it helped me a lot. So, the angel numbers are like confirmation and guidance kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. It is showing you the way kung paano ka makakarating doon, kung paano mo makukuha yon, ano magandang gawin doon, etc. So, there's messages. Minsan nga lang, naliligaw tayo ng landas, yung iba, hindi sinusunod yung mga message na yun. So, what will happen? It would cause a lot of drama, a lot of problems, a lot of troubles, diba? Yun talaga yun. Magkakaroon ng malaking problema kung hindi mo susundin yung gabay sa'yo. So, ito nga, back to your story. The love affair is here. You want this. Both of you want this. Kung ang relationship mo sa present moment mo is it's not going great, or yung roads niya is rocky road na, kailangan mo na ng settlement, no? This is another message here. Settlement. It's an agreement or compromise. Pag-usapan. Kasi maaaring pareho naman kayo magkasundo kung ano yung mga dapat nyong i-cut off. You do have here drastic and there's this cut off. Ayan, mababasa mo yung word na cut off dyan. And then meron din tayo ditong financial support. Of course, don't forget about your responsibilities, or kung yung person mo, yung may responsibilidad, you have to talk about the support na kailangan ninyo para if there's a family or children na involved, of course, wag pa rin naman pababayaan yung responsibilidad. Okay? And of course, that is against the law. Diba? Kailangan pa rin naman nating sumunod doon. Okay? So, ang sasabihin ng iba, hindi, kawawa yung mga bata, kailangan lumaki sila ng may mga magulang, etc. Actually, mas kawawa sila kung mabubuhay sila nang hindi okay yung family, na hindi happy. No? And actually, I'm not pushing divorce kasi mahirap Actually, mahirap mag-advise as a tarot reader kasi, I'm not pushing anything. But this is what is showing here sa cards. This is what the spirit guides are telling you. And nandito lang ako to tell this to you. Honestly, sa akin, mas gusto ko i-work out, ituloy, pag-usapan. I mean, maybe you need to go on a date together again. I-try nyong i-push. Pero, this is not what the cards are telling me. Diba? Hindi naman yun yung sinasabi sa akin Para sa akin, mas gusto ko i-push mo, ayusin nyo, kasi may anak kayo Para sa akin, ganun. Pero hindi Hindi Nagdi-deliver lang naman ako ng message. So, what will happen in the future for you? For the sign of Libra. Yan. You do have your cleansing. This is removing negativity. This is actually what I am doing. Naglalight ako ng sage. This is a sage, no? Itong pinapausok dito sa picture, it's a sage. And this is a way of cleansing the space or something, no? Para yung itong isang pinapausok ko dito, which is this is Palo Santo, and I do this to cleanse the energy. Meron din akong sage, guys. Ito. I just want to show you. Ayan, tanggal-tanggal na siya kasi dahon naman ito, ano. At lagi ko itong pinapausok, lalo na pag papaship ako ng mga evil eyes or ng mga pampaswerte. Lagi yan for cleansing. Anyway, cleansing is way of removing toxicity, negativity, and yun yung kailangan mo tanggalin sa buhay mo. In the near future, you need to do this. Actually, this is an advice in the future na kailangan mo i-cleanse yung negativity. Walang samaan ng loob. You have your hamster wheel, and the wheel is all about changes. So, kung gusto mo ng pagbabago, kailangan mo bumitaw. Grip is here. And the grip is like holding this, anong tawag dito? I forgot what it's called yung sa gym, you know? So, hanggat nakahawak ka dyan, mahirap, masakit, diba? Kailangan mo mag-let go. Pero alam mo, kailangan ito sa buhay mo Kailangan mo pa rin ito Katulad ng isa nagji-gym, itong bagay na nangyari sa'yo na ito, yung pag-hold on mo dito sa barrel ba na tawag dito sa mabigat na ito, nahirapan ka, oo, pero mas lalo kang gumaling. Mas alam mo na yung susunod na gagawin mo. May mga lesson kang natutunan. And maybe this person na dumating sa buhay mo is dumating siya to serve as a lesson. Siyempre, once the lesson has been learned, natutunan mo na yung mga lesson dyan, you need to let go. Now, mas malakas ka na, mas stronger ka na, mas matalino ka na, mas magaling ka na ngayon. Mas alam mo na kung paano mas mag-workout ang isang relationship. And maybe, in the near future, you do have your access granted. So, for what I can see here, there's a lot of key. Ang daming susi, ano? And, I feel like there's another door waiting for you. Another future waiting for you. Pero kailangan mo munang tanggalin yung mga dapat tanggalin, ayusin yung mga dapat ayusin. Okay? Because there's another person coming back to your life, and this new person, I feel like this is the person that you need. Diba? Kaabang-abang yung mga mangyayari sa susunod. Pero, yeah. Actually, buhay mo naman yun. Andito lang naman ako as a tarot guide, as a guide. So, good luck to you. Ikaw pa rin ang kikilos dyan, hindi naman ako, diba? To change your future, you have to change your present. And, ikaw ang kikilos dun. I'm just here as a guide. Katulad ng isang roller coaster, paulit-ulit lang ang mangyayari. Kung hindi ka aalis. No? Kung patuloy ka pa rin nakasakay sa roller coaster, paulit-ulit lang yan. Try mong bumaba. Try mong umalis. Try mong sumakay sa totoong sasakyan. Mas malayo pa yung mararating mo. Mas magiging masaya pa ang biyahe mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.